herbal clinic ya sabi aba kwa wo memo anya mama ya ji bi pa ye mo yin bonti aba so boja ngo be na ya je yes sir ya really to say liver diseases because mo ya here prostate disorders over the total how over the shade to asiano fibroid premature ejaculation thereby of complement is na no ba no so ye should be to ba COVID-19 penso ye the herbal booster dia ba ibo immune system no ho ba na kitchen na wa wu na so the work my herbal me so jama so mission let's up my ya hu ni na bi san so bo ma many awodin e bi di ma se ne se na e pattern if you actually kwanye wo banana in abolo junction na won kan ha and after 0244 401929 and 0267 117666 Noble Trust Herbal Clinic said so we need that for san or we need to mo Base TV ebusia yebema wa ha amo akwaba eri aba dipedua emunsem dwumedie so ampa na watwi ye wonkwa ye wade na aye nyame epese mienu yenhia na yendi nkomo etianese wo ye wa ha no se ana eye nipedua emunsem dwumedie ena yede ebrewo sa ena megidi se wo waye krado wo fie wafe obi aka ho no nso eti ni TV ho a ohwe dwumedie eni jesem ne say nipedua mu nsem dwumedie aba na ye hyase aboa bebre ama bebre na nso etie dwumedie ya hwebi ama wo menya eye wo mo eyare no duro mekanisa esanse bebre na ahwe ya wo ma frefre ya ama ye hunsampa de ye no eboa ebia na ene dan dikan a won so wo hwe me chewo se dwumedie aba ama na ubi a wo hwe yenso no hye ne so say awe bi ene hawa ebra esese wonso no wunyamre ema yeni ye pa hanom sei ene obeka onipedua emu asem organ se woni pedua mu ye ne oba ebesusu ho ema ye fe bia edi mu dwuma eye na wotwe bia na wotwe etwa mu nso no yesua ade ba eti na wotwe ye wo bibra ye ba besua hye ne so ema me se dwumedie Noble Trust Herbal Clinic Noble Trust Herbal Clinic Dr. George Donko Eda ano ena esun asene ema yedi dwumedie bro eye meminite bia na ye wa haso ana yesi edwa enye me nko a ena me wa ha me ne minu abema Paul Dalton ene wo efi ha no se ya Dr. George Donko enso ekan nti beje mama Paul na me bisa ne kwan so na ya hwe ele de yebesua Paul eti say
na me ada roma na me nam doctor so na nsin de say wa onyanti e de say o wankasa o ha ho ana se udu onipadua na abro doctor ma hinta se ma onipadua du ma yehia e ma yetimi eda ya ho odin adi enti me sure se ade nyina na aso omo mu nyina mo na aso yenso me sure se as time goes on nyame na doctor so ebe ma yehu se ne was for cc ho ebo ye ho ban free ya ne yare mpo a akwa be fa so be tibanya ya resa no nyame dia na doctor so dia maye answer na no ma memfa asidama akoma heba mixture ono na ebo aye ma yetimi di dwumadi ebro de bia Saturday bia akoma heba mixture ena afi prime heba booster eno so mo amodi ma wonka mo ni nya wodin so nko a etimi kutia yare bia enti unyanya bia ko drugstore bia ben on ne ko bisa prime heba booster akoma heba mixture ena Noble woman na ema wa hode no NCP na NCTA eti de elu de beje mama one doctor na afi no messages o on ma beti we de na afa so aba na as time goes e bi call no so to na ahwefo nso timi de obisa de aba
say doctor ajira ikra etino ye betwa be doctor nene woni e ba besua bibi afa liver e brebo ho ye brebo yare liver disease obi be bisa say liver disease kwa ye den na dey liver disease eba den na obeye etimi ediasi liver disease ano ekwan e wo ni peduem Dr. Dodonko out Noble Trust Eba Clinic ano ebe chen we nyina etino yensem ebe twa be doctor na odi yen ehura achechenim doc emo ha
ye mia
net say
yankopon no boko na wo so e
nyame adom yenso ye hoye ewie ye besua de pa doctor we come yesua bebre yesua de pa and the topic ba ko a bebre na edi mu abobo eye liver disease and na ye ba besua yensem re ye be bisa say liver disease eye or how be
nti ahwefo mechemu ina ediba kasafidi so na ene brebo mu how na ye beka ho asem se ka se brebo mu how na se liver disease eye chimatobia eba nipedua no ye brebo kwa ye hwehwe bebi e wo nipedua mu a ye be ho brebo no wo ye nufu nifa no na se ye nufu nifa no na se nti ye brebo no hye ye mfimpade no last one no eba be si ye nufu nifa no eho na depa ebedru mfimfin in between ye nufu mienu ntemo no edwum kakra edeba saabia no eho na brebo no ehye yie pa na brebo bia brebo no hye no so ye mfimpade no ebo brebo no ho ban ebo ho ban from external force and as impact.
Okay, donc même bisa brebo no se ye hwe ni suwa etesen se na etie ye betimi di bibi atoto ho se e bia etese ni
okay se brebo se de etie no se we brebo de to esusu bia mu a is equivalent to 5 kg ni mudu no is close to 5 kg depending on your body size. Okay. It's a nippani a very big it will be very close to 5 kg 5 kg yet say sa emo nkito no say emo no dia hye no kilo no ya 1 kilo ho and ya 5 kilos ho and ya 25 kilos so into 5 kilo no that is the size of almost an adult brebo 5 kilos na se wo fa brebo na se wo moa no ba ko a ne kase no akakakra na ati se ball bi na ye nkwala na ye de ball na ye fe no case 5
okay
ne kase
wo moa no
e ba ko a sana ne kase no na brebo no e wo dwuma bebre edi wo nipeduam se wo hwe brebo no de dwuma odi no wo kan se ba ko mienu miensa ana se ba ko mienu miensa ekwa brebo no kwa no dwuma edi no their medical science etumi atwere say 1 2 3 4 5 ne functions no eye ba ko 500
oha
ahenu brebo dwuma edi ma ni pedua no ba ko ahenu
se ewu hia pa
nti oni pedua no baabia depend on brebo akoma be ye adwuma edi na brebo so o kidney be ye adwuma edi na brebo so wani ubehu ade ye edi na brebo so wadwe be ye sharp edi na brebo so umoja eni beti edi na brebo so umoja be di afrisani akwaba edi na brebo so we ye bema ubenya atinka we ye oba ubenya atinka their friend sex drive obrebo no eyi ebi se wodi aduane a sugar wo mu a obrebo no eno na eboa o pancreas let me use your friend insulin let me break sugar level no down okay with the aduane a srade wo mu a brebo no eyi nsuo bi edema your pancreas your gallbladder no na gallbladder na yi sa nsuo no edi egu srade no so na break sa srade no down to level a eye okay e ma ni pedua no na srade na ntumi ankoda e wo brebo so brebo lose sa function pe no sa srade na hya se da ewo obrebo na say da obrebo mu a de eba ne say eja o de friend cholestasis and I say gallbladder stones
cholestasis
and I say gallbladder stones and na afen so brebo no eyi special protein bi a your friend C1 to C5 and no eboa na a fight with infection into say when you infection brebo no eyi sa hormones and as nsuo no it really afa it really aboa ye nipadua no na it really fight foreign invaders and as infection
okay
eboa na it really ye moja na ewe ye mu no you say that within a particular time frame your brebo no yi nsuo bi a friend no coagulant as a matidin wo the addition ba mu na anticoagulant nti sa coagulant eboa na moja no etumi da na moja no eda within a time frame se koba se brebo no or how of one moja na etumi da within that time frame nti bon se bibi twa wa moja no etumi tu sa ansan ebetimi aye ebi kra ni moja etumi tu out se ubewu
eno nkyerɛ sɛ wenya ɛyɛ mogya no so
ɛni nkyerɛ sɛ wenya na ɛkɔm no sɛ wenya ɔhaw bi te sɛ diabetes ɛsikyerɛ na affect wo brɛboɔ na brɛboɔ no ntumi yi saa nsuo no a yɛfrɛ no coagulant no ɛma brɛboɔ no ntumi yi saa nsuo no a ɛma mogya no a ɛwɔ nipadua no mu no mogya no ntumi nna within saa time frame nti biribi twa wa na mogya no sɛ ɛnua no sɛ ɛnum se brabo no ye adwuma yi a oba a obu ne nsa onya menstrual pain
kra
onya menstrual
oya obi emba
ena afi nso se oba no nso ne bosume so se obu ne nsa nso a eso ya na emba ho obrabo ye adwuma
ena delay so
okay. The reason is say brabo no se oba yi nsu a friend no estrogen e wo ne pedua mu a brabo no yi estrogen no na convert sa estrogen no na ayen bibi a friend no estradiol it is sa estradiol no eno no ye very least effective form of estrogen nti eno no eboa na oba na wo de no to function yi say ekoba say oba no ne brabo no enye adwuma yi a sa estrogen an kebeko liver no na liver na convert no into sa estradiol entry convert into it is just like that work na we do tieba sana na onya menstrual pain and as irregular menstruation ebi kura to me develop into the friend of fibroid it really did into fibroid because we bring one into convert sa estrogen into the least effective form of estrogen so be man so we bring one so ye adwuma so a be man produce nsuo bi a friend of testosterone the
man in the estrogen and the man in the testosterone
okay na sa testosterone brabo no convert eyi nsuo bi a your friend 5 alpha reductase enti sa 5 alpha reductase no e convert sa testosterone into the friend dihydrotestosterone okay enti eno no e what prostate no etumi ye ejuma so brabo ye inti brabo no edwuma ye no de dosun
500
inti say cry awon just a handful
na say bebre o ha brabo ni timi ye inti say wo ho na brabo ehun to chima na che say wenya how pa na brabo no etimi no how inti sa adwuma ye a yakaka a brabo no timi ye ni na no se koba se brabo no ntumi ye sa adwuma na nye ni na o even emu binumu a then it means say brabo no your how fane say eye 500 etimi ye emu 400 a nice how we all
sure ntumi anya ba akokura mpo a wo how I to say wo school no na me fan say the whole semester no we hear about 8
courses
into 8 courses now we no we fail mu ba ko sa semester no you are not qualified to move to the next semester
no correct
into say brabo no the dwuma edi no so when timi aye mu ba ko a chere say brabo no wo ha me fa say brabo no na dwuma ba ko no say buso miensa bia no umoja na wo mu no etwe umoja ni na dane na ye no the friend of bile
every 3 months
to 4 months okay. Between 93 days to 120 days we live no ebetwe umoja ni na red blood cells na convert no aye no bile
bile ni dey
bonyuma
okay
nti saa abɔnwoma no na ɛde bɛgu o bile duct no mu nti wodidi a na brɛbɔ no induce saa bile duct no sɛ ɛnyi saa small bile into wo intestine no na mboa no aduane indigestive sɛ kɔba sɛ saa function of the brɛboɔ no sɛ ɛbɛ induce wo gallbladder no sɛ ɛnyi saa bile no ɛngu wo nipadua mu sɛ brɛboɔ no ɛlose saa function nti ɛma more of saa bile no ɛbɛ wo mogya mu a deɛ ɛba no sɛ wobɛhu sɛ w'ani ase ayɛ yellow deɛ ɛfrɛ no jaundice
nti jaundice yareɛ no baabi efiri ɛba no no
saa nti na kyerɛ sɛ nipa no yɛ jaundice ɛyɛ liver disease liver disease
ɛnɛ brɛboɔ yi ɛsɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ de yie papapapapapapa doctor obi ti ɛhwɛ yɛn otie yɛn obi bisa sɛ ɛbɛyɛ dɛn ɛna wɔn sɛ ne brɛboɔ ɛho atokyima
nti yɛwɔ nsɛnkyerɛnne anaasɛ signs symptoms a kyerɛ sɛ obi brɛboɔ ɔhaw aba nti sɛ yɛfa signs a ɛwɔ now before I yɛbɛkɔ signs no yɛnkɔ causes of liver disease
deɛ ɛde brɛboɔ mu ɔhaw ɛba okay doctor ɛnɛ na
yɛbɛkyɛ lidia no
saa pɛpɛpɛ mɛkɔ paul hɔ nom na mɛbisa sɛ paul ɛwɔ asɛmbisa bi anaa
asɛm no akapɛsɛ doctor na na sɛ doctor wura hɔ
no
because see ya no metu hɔ nom yi medeɛ menɔ sɛ menam sɛ meba bi yɛ meyɛ a mesɛ memfɛ meyɛ o sɛ makyirɛ mesɛ makyirɛ meyɛ o sɛ ɛyɛ me brɛboɔ no ho na atɔ kyima sɛ ɛyɛ makoma sɛ menim nti mede ɔntimi bi fifa so a na mede nso ɔhyɛ atwetwe me ho nti yɛho pere yɛ sɛ ɛbɛhu sɛ mehu sɛ ɛyɛ me brɛboɔ no aha sei na ɛyɛ meya no ɛnyɛ gye sɛ hɔ na ɛyɛ meya kɛkɛ na ɛyɛ brɛboɔ no nti dɛ ɔkyerɛ yɛn nneɛma a ɛde brɛboɔ mu haw ne ba obi a na wakyerɛ kwan mefa so a mehu sɛ me brɛboɔ no ɛho aba haw
okay nti adeɛ baako a ɛma brɛboɔ onya ɔhaw paa baako ɛyɛ alcohol ɛnsa sɛe brɛboɔ yie in a sense sɛ wonom nsama no kɔ mu a unlike other nnuane a wodi a ɛbɛkɔ akɔgyina wo yafunu mu na wo yafunu no ayi nsuo bi a ɛfrɛ no hydrochloric acid agu aduane anaasɛ deɛ wanom no so na breaking it down to level a ɛyɛ okay na brɛboɔ no agye na brɛboɔ no gye nso asan so breaking it down to level a ɛyɛ okay with your system na brɛboɔ no bɛpushi saa ɛno ne nyinaa de ama wo kidney na kidney na sɔne so nti kidney sɔne so a deɛ ɛyɛ no na de afa vena cava no lenti no na de ama akoma no deɛ ɛyɛ no na de ama wo dwonsotwa no na wadwo nso apie na sɛ kɔba sɛ alcohol yɛ nom a ɛmfolo saa procedure no nti wonom yɛ no ɛduru yɛ mu a na atwam na ɛno nom akɔ obrɛbɔ no mu
ɔno deɛ wapan
kwanta
ɔno ɔmfa process na ɛwɔ sɛ obi afa mu no
shortcut
oh I see
nti na alcohol no akɔ hɔ na ɛkɔ hɔ a because alcohol no ɛyɛ toxic no nti no na obrɛbɔ no ahyɛ asɛ sɛ ɛproduce sradeɛ to combat sɛ asa alcohol no the strength nti sɛ ɛproduce saa sradeɛ no saa no a sradeɛ no ɛkata cells na ɛwɔ brɛbɔ no mu no ti ɛkata ho saa no over time no bon sɛ cells na ɛwɔ brɛbɔ no mu ahyɛ asɛ sɛ ɔmo lose ɔmo functions ɔmo ahoɔden a ɛde yɛ adwuma kakra na affect brɛbɔ no in totality ɛno yɛ one obi a wodidi anadwo a
ɔno sɛ masere
ɛyɛ atwi
so aso
obi a wodidi anadwo a ɛnka during the day no edwuma a yɛayɛ ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ anadwo ne yɛ brɛboɔ no ɛboa yɛn other part of the body na tumi siesie yɛ na sɛ wodidi anadwo a saa dwuma nka brɛboɔ no bɛsiesie wo nipadua no egyae saa adwuma no na akɔ sɛ ɛkɔ digest aduane no nti wobɛda bɛsɔre no na nka aduane no a wodi a bɛsiesie o na wo nipadua no ayɛ okay no wodidi anadwo no nti no brɛboɔ no ntumi nsiesie wo nipadua no na mmom akɔ sɛ ɛkɔ akɔ digest aduane no ɛntumi nyɛ saa ade no because nyammɔ ne sɛ ɛnyɛ saa ade at the same time so ɛnyɛ saa adwuma no anadwo nti ɛba ne saa no a na afei deɛ kyerɛ sɛ wanyɛ over time no ɛsɛe brɛboɔ no ankasa ɛfiri sɛ aduane no ntumi andigest a a creative be a friend fermentation.
Okay.
Into fermentation say aduane no ebe tu nwana say ebe bo
Anyinya na
Into eba ne sana fermentation ebe kɔ nipadua na kɔ ano bebia including brabo no over time no etumi say brabo. Unprescribed medication, especially painkillers. Doctor Tremau, wow, would open na water, wow, would open na water. Etumi say brabo. If you say,
Doctor, me try na. Over the counter one, ni na aka ho.
Ni na aka ho.
Oh, I see.
Ni na aka unprescribed medication. It they tell say in rona ye no na say rona won. E bia won strength. Ah, na no odin anase na ho odin ekura no. Na sa ho odin no so wo condition bia na say wo state at a given time bia ne dia e betimi a control na say be. Inti say ko say wo nim say em bia wo ni pedua no e betimi be 4 pe in a month. Now because out of ignorance you know better to say 5 in a month you are abusing the drug. Now offer drug sana instead of brabo no e be break it down sa chemical na we e drug mu ntino chemical na be do so change said ya brabo no be e break it down ntina e yes na chemical no asha say e float wo brabo no the chemical no mind you say chemical no brabo no and also your chemical are natural and they are living organisms in the womb. And the chemical say a kum brabo no cells no gradually over time. E de sa brabo mu or how no ediba.
Doctor, what could address me, mammy bisa? Obi minimum bia or no or say ni baby and ya or far young fan say akuma have a mixture. Say ni tin and you, say na kuma and you, say nan and you. Say ni baby and yana on yano makuma have a mixture. Example na me you. Or drew be a specific do they do yano ma, say ni yamu, say ni tiu, say ni con and the and no. And also, no, or no, who is said, I drew near Genie, or no, anything.
Oh, the all canon is more like addiction to that particular. I don't know what canon. Into on your far, it doesn't matter the dosage and our quantity of the okay. Into I know it's more like addiction. Into I don't know different. Okay. I saw be a come then so or no, even one thought cry. No, I find I come never year.
No, George, I don't come
by a command. Or the any music to good more as well. No, okay. Serious. I don't know a different. Okay. Yeah, to also. All right. Other thing that to me, Brabon, it me say a chemical exposure. Chemical exposure. Say, we are more chemical factory or more exposed chemicals. Into when healing chemical call more, it means cyber and your friend of chemical induced liver disease.
Oh, okay.
Chemical induced liver disease. And I say, a bravo, one and son and my bravo, no say, yeah, and your alcohol induced liver disease.
I know daughter.
Another secret. Don't induce. Okay. And you are able to say hepatitis B, hepatitis C. Then as hepatitis A, it means cyber so.
Wow.
It means cyber. The Eban say, and one able ready to do one. Your brother, one of the functions and say, so when you are woman, we find say, Moja near for Obra one qua Aje, a store about 1/3, which means son. Brabona store back, and the Akan will be.
The Moja Fadona a cobra body.
Okay. In Sisa Winya sa hepatitis na, and I say viral hepatitis. And one Omupatana Brabon one. Brabon was soldiers, and I say, and Kwamwabia, Omu to me detect say foreign invaders are back Yenipedium. Ain't sir, and one war Brabon, Omuko say, Omu attack virus. Inti say omo tumi kutia virus media we okay omo ntimi anpoint ya na say omo virus no so tumi be sha brabo no so sa pe e sha say e de brabo mo how I friend viral induced hepatitis. Okay. And that's a viral hepatitis and now viral liver disease. Okay. nti we any other things keka ho obi so ho a ne dia no ono ankasa ne pedua no na ekutia ne brabo eno ye autoimmune liver
last ubodi
yes autoimmune liver disease nti autoimmune liver disease yare wo bi ti say lupus yare say yare bi a wa wo ne pedua no e sha say ekun atia wo organs wo lupus it will cause liver disease and cerebrodoma and also another yare and rheumatoid arthritis and also to cause liver disease and other forms of conditions it will cause it will brabo no ahode no eba form.
Let me say my last question. Smoke. Say we see. Omo say we hear you with jam omo mono with George. Omo yes like exposure to smoke does it have any effect or your liver na?
And only a minimal, but it has more effect for lungs. Okay. Change.
Okay.
All right. Paul.
Yes, sir.
I will be some mommy. No, we dear, you be trying my best. Me patrol bebre. The pedria emunsem tumedi na woshi. Na ene yesua de pa liver disease rebomu ohaw eho adechire na Dr. Jodonko Aldanobo Trust Herbal Clinic. Oni esua na ye ka nso se yetia no say dwumedie obenye biasha na Noble Trust Herbal Clinic na eboaye ema yetini eba memini de bia enewu ebedi enkomo na ye kyo nso se Noble Trust na ahwe bia eba no ebibidro se ye de yadwuma wo mu akwadare mu pa make say enu papa abedwa so Noble Trust na ede aba ubenya ebi atowo herbal shop pharmacy shop and chemical shop bia wonimu okwa wose wo pe akuma herbal mixture many are poured out in the kind aka wasem a childeda kope bito na ebeboa ama wakuma no etimi ejina ne nice so pa ebebo akuma no nso eho ban ede ama hyane nso se uyoba na wo hia noble woman ebeboa ama akonwokun ede ama candidiasis how odepu unye bia onuma ebeboa pa ensuo a enyefe ensuo a ense enfata ensuo a nenka enye egugu oba wohia noble woman onuma ebeboa amasa ohawi nyina efri ho ukofike ukọ ubunsa na uye o cycle na unya eyaw na pensa onumbia noble woman ebeboa pa prime immune booster prime herbal booster edro tatahwe na ewura ipedua ni mu a yare no se ewo osro ana wo foma ebeyi ni nyina efri ho eboa ama nkomo ano ejina wo nan so pa akon etia ohaw bia ebebo ewura ni pedua eno nso ebi ewodwa so ubenya ebi ato bisabi na tobi na ebeboa pa yebetoa ye nkomo twetwen so na ye de aseda so bema azelvo Paul azelvo de etomuso ani asori entade a ye sha ye disia no se fefefe azelvo na apamashe a yenso no yetimi ede asha ye ho ayefe wa ha yesi he azelvo ese opese opamatade a twebe wo mo ye be ma opatade apama na so ye ho a na obeko ye wedding gown na ye koti na omopam bi ewo ho mata heko ye mass college na omowo ye be sori a be pemre na edum na matudwa ama doctor ye beto aso na ya boewura yen addition yesuamu liver disease ye be den ehu se ye wo how ye be
okay nti se ye pese ye hu se ye wo brebo mu how a one ene se ye nhwe symptoms brebo ne hye ye no fu nifa no na se nti se brebo no ehu touchma empempi na eya eti eyaw ewo ye nufu nifa no
okay
na se nti wuti eyawo right upper abdomen eba onufu nifa na se a empempi no eye brebo no afi nso wodwunso no ne kala no na aye deep emupi nka dwunso de either say eye plain and say enu na se saka krabi is fine but say ko ba say wodwunso a egu atade nkra etumi kam
na se emu edu ayetik
okay Johnson color we say Johnson color
yellow
we so go toilet seat man
you hu ni say eni no yellow pa okay
o say obomode na o check obrabo o say obo say wo hokeka wo emprempi wo hokeka wo unexplainable o say eno say one of the symptoms
say wo hokeka wa wo na hokeka wa sign on fani say udware so na obi ti udware na hokeka no
eno wo ho obi wo ho ana mbia samuna odi dware no emwa no ana say ene ni pedua no mfa but say mbia wo mbia re kra na wo ho hokeka wo sa ade na e kan say e friend of bonuma no ba se ekọ wo moja mu bebre a etwima wo skin no ekeka ene na ye course sa
na wo ka say 3 months bia moja na ye ba wo nti ba
mo na ye etani moja na ye no ba
okay nti ba no nyina ko pile a na ye ka ne say ni
sa unipedua na ye ba na ebra bia obedidi bia no kakra efra we duane no
okay
enti obeti e di aduane ye ne ye fita obekọ toilet na o toilet na ni color na brown kakra ba o na mix but so wo how obrebo no mu a it doesn't move and the friend of cholestasis no
edi na de ya kose mi din kra cholestasis so enya de papa okay cholestasis o man pe din bi ama no cholestasis
sa we no yes stagnant anansa atena baby faako ache tetna nso so cha oto nso yi ha nti sa srade na anke se mix with sa bio na pie no entimi nti eba na sa na aform sa solid ade no a friend stones no nti eno no na ye kan na efe so se wotena ho a wo se wonasi atatai
wo na wonasi tataya
tataya o se check obrabo wo se wo yefunu no na I say ahun epu aba ebi o krabon say ono so yefunu o de the second yefunu na eba wo ne nufu ni fanasi a wo mia ho kakra na
enia
eno so sign say krabo no o hawa so we any dia ekeka ho na signs and I say in century na e say brabo no o hawa no we fi say we ni question so say yellow the friend Jandis na it's a sign.
Now we need a year coconzo baby as well.
Coconi depending yellow and your coconi a different say MBR pressure. I bear name so. And you know pressure it will bear. And you can say you need pressure no more than 2.8 kilopascal. Inti say 2.8 kilopascal. Let's say pressure up the deal so it's a different from say when you know every year.
Okay. All right. Paul.
Yes.
Yensha say you will messages be ha. Na yenfa to doctor ni we na ye be for life na. That was okay. Yo ene na ye hwe animu say messages ye be kinkan ma na Paul en shall say de na ye be phone lines no. Ama ahwefo na monsuma bem ebi a asem bi wo ha pese obisa doctor na ye bisa no ha wo breni obetimi afre na ne doctor Dodonko endi enkomo nipadua emu nsem ya pomuden ya som ya pomuden ye krem ukra wo de emu de a na ebre aso se obefre na wo ne doctor endi enkomo 0501 484 671 0501 484-671. Wait, any numbers are your Juma Ewo Studio ha 0501-484-671. Fred, now any doctor Dodonko ND and Komo area or how be our pese ubisano efa a year wapomudin hono. Why crowd say ubejiwano dog. You bet me di and Komo kakra. My brother train say omo ebe free.
Okay. Nti yenhwe it's me ma.
What messages be home?
Yo, kakra.
Okay.
Message say bad.
Yeah.
Nti
no customer.
Okay. Nti yenhwe nnuane bi nso a wodi a etimi ma brebo no esai ntem. Eduane a sichire wo mbebre.
Sugary food.
Okay. Wodi eduane a sugar wo mu a. The ever say sugar no induce brebo no man to produce more fat.
Sure.
nti e ma produce more fat e ma brabo ni be ye fatty e be ye sradeɛ nkwa te ba no sana na brabo na ye du sana nipa se de so we too heavy enjoy you how want me here nti eno one of the factors and na aduane as spices won be brave na say nnuane bi a eya nkofo bi na anadwo no so nnuane mu no spices na wo no say dose be brave na wudi na anadwo a over time no it may cause harm to brabo no okay and na face wudi aduane a enam mojana won be brave high protein food it may cause brabo no if you say high protein food.
Okay, doc, you were faithful Odikan. Oh, let me say we free line so. Obey me a sound free 0501 484 671 0501 484 671. Number obey me a free was in it. Doc, you to us
okay. Nti say this aduane a protein wo bebre na. Protein na nkasa no. Wodi a say we na ntwinam Ojanama, it take between 13 hours to 18 hours. Now they are digested completely. A food half a day, more than half a day, 18 hours. And then the food they get 24 hours.
Okay, yeah, well, of food one. Hello, hello, David. We're free. Hello.
Nah, they said don't do, and I didn't know say before in fact me I na me for hospital say.
Any meat now kind.
Make sure na. It is there me diabetes.
Here sugar kakra.
The after do for how long? Na
problem neba. Ha say na be obi nka say oh ye do sugar kra ye ni biem.
Okay. Nti nipeduane here sugar. If you say one of the functions of liver ni say liver no eduane edi a sugar wo no liver no eteni sa sugar no into bi e fe no glycogen na sa glycogen no na brabo no store for future use into say brabo no store glycogen na say over time no when the eduane a sugar wo me fan say in the last 2 weeks when the eduane a sugar wo mu a o brabo no store enough glycogen and as a sugar converting it back to raw sugar. Never wow cells in my cells into sugar no ehunya. In excess, especially the artificial one, the polished ones now. Now in excess, we maybe say what is the excess? Excess means what
hello.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello, Bacho. Udi any baby are free.
Hello.
Bacho bema on the sugar camera. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Me Bacho yet unka. Okay. All right. Me Bacho bebre ofra na wetina so my kakra ya na mo free TV set no so kakra na yetini edi enkomo eye. Dog any to aso.
Okay. See, Doctor, let me come and say you got crack. Okay. Yes, sister, be obisa say chronic hepatitis B no e betimi atwa say ana. Ehun aduro chronic ones no.
Okay, nti chronic hepatitis no anu aduro ehun treatment ho. It depending on the magnitude.
Okay, em say ofrefo na asan baby. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello, Bacho Udini baby out free.
I saw me free Kumasi with the Mabina.
Joe Mabina, Doctor Waha, yet you.
I saw not beside doctor say symptoms of liver disease no. Or church when I'm parenting campus there so bit me I can be one.
Okay, okay. You okay? I saw say Doctor you are. You don't.
In Siena or say time and
symptoms no signs
disease program live on home based TV.
Sure.
On Facebook. In your program now, Obetia Sanswa shape bio
repeat
now share the whole process ni na what you benefit fully from the program.
Na upon Obetia friend.
Na say upon so Obetia friend na if you akasa one on one.
No correct.
Na it's me one.
Okay.
Yes, sister, we have any Vivian. Obisa say one, what is the cause of getting tired?
Okay, ewo Vero ewo ahomane so. Vero, hello. 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 Yenti Vero enka.
Okay.
Yentu aso.
Also, dog, then the money or no or bread.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, Vero, yeti unka.
Hello?
Hello. Vero, yeti unka bacho kasa.
So, dog, your question. Also, I cannot pray. And I feel, or TV yaw, or Nenufu Benkumuno acid. And then, yes, our house, and if any video or think of down far.
Okay. Nti yenya Vivian, wono fo bonkum no na se no ehɔ no wakoma na ɛhye. Wakoma na ɛhye wono fo bonkum no na se. Na wo ye obi a wote ɛyɛ kakra no abre kakra chronic fatigue. Doctor, most often it has to do with liver and also with kidney.
Okay, we offer for be everything. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Mama, to say.
Good evening.
Good evening. What try to say?
Good evening.
Hello. Good evening, Doctor Waha. Ayatunka. And then
Good evening.
Wow. And they said line no and hadri kakana. Munkoswa and Fred 0501 484 671 0501 484 671. Fred na yedi and common sia.
Okay. The dog no bibisa. The big question bisa was in the new bankumu. I say okay ya and akakano abre.
Na see no fu bonkum no na se no ehɔ ne yakoma no ɛhye. Nti sɛ wote ya wɔ hɔ a mane hu ni doctor na so umbra no go trust about me. The investigation afa na kuma no ahwɛ sɛ then ekoso. Na the apostle chronic fatigue no ebi ye brabo se brabo no ya ohawa etiminya chronic fatigue. Na sɛ kidney no nso kra no entimi function yi a and also to my chronic fatigue. Aside that, there are other conditions to say malaria, low blood volume, and also to my chronic fatigue.
Yawo Yenya Bema Eric from Pram. No, hello. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Eric. Yatsun Gapa.
I'm about to Mr. Pram.
Okay. Yanko.
Mr. Pram. Aha. Maybe sir. Hello. That I mean, you can Mr. Pram, Derek. Yeah, hello. And you know the son is set up. For sure. So see, I'm not maybe I said, Miss Simon. Yeah. Na me hu me se ya ase ba bia me sempa de no ba bia me brebo no wo no e taye me ya e wo me sambe nko e wo me no fon se ho taye me ya tina aye me be se 1 year ni intino me fredo gna me bi sana se e bia so betimi a chechem kakra che medical hospital so mu hwe ya o mu transplant ni ade o mu ho hwe entin se ayi ebi obetsa me drobi na me to ana se o wa check de mamia enoti na nka me fred dog na me mbisa.
All right yo Eric ya da sepa doctor anso ha obeyi wa no dog
okay nti yenu abema na ofre no Eric o say we go trust scan nanso MC o mo hu hwe se ba no diagnosis okay diagnosis nanke afeni ebedru ho
okay
diagnosis you want in fact 2 types
treatment no
diagnosis says we be or yare no okay yare da fesu you want 2 types you oba ko a obetimi ahwe se dia na fesu tie say ne size and I said dia ne bobre etie na emo no
so mama indem Vero asaba amane say hello Vero. Hello, Vero Yatun Kapa.
Pacho, not me say. Like me, you be messy, I mean, look for time and then it's better on problem, Biana.
Yo, Doctor Atun Kapa, why? Obey you and why? Yeah, that's a power.
Okay, it is a banner diagnosis now. So we trust scanner, the scan better may not be the same as said here, obey a lab test a better.
Okay.
Lab no, me so yeah, or see or yam nemfi bonkum no. Ye kidneys ni share ye mfi bonkum nim nifa. Nti say trust scan no be hwe say mbia ye kese anase so nsuo be gina baabi anase ebo abehye baabi.
Okay.
Se ebo hye baabi a na emom no develop yare a scan no enko may not be able to detect. Nti die betimi aboa in addition to scan no say obeye mbia kidney function test any liver function test and the account. It's based on scan any lab no and bet here determine say if your how baby and also how any baby.
Okay. It's no scan repair is not enough.
It's not enough.
Oh, he has a paper no go trust now. Ya training na man.
Boom.
So okay. And Eric where there Ozempa. Doc, ever
or say so yen menses are na me no for ekese. Okay. So by ye opening sir nsuo ahodo bebre na e wo say it take place na eboa na oba timi ebu ne say
okay
nsuo ba ko aye edi mu no eye estrogen any prolactin e dey no for no na e produce sa prolactin na aboa na no for no aye okay but say ko say o produce more of prolactin than the anipedua no ehia ebe ma no for no ebe hihye na ebe ne ya nti omia obeti say eye ne ya it become the painful to touch. Nti so omia won say eye ne ya afin so omia won say nsuo kra efrum ba and no is supposed to happen emra oba afefro nti oba afefro a adwen no ka kire ne pedua no say akwala beda yefunu no enti ja nsuo bi a wo produce na mo produce prolactin no na ma nufo no mo kambrem nti sa akwala no ba wonya nsuo enufu nsuo ano na se ko ba se woni pedua ni produce sa nsuo no emra wonyim a e che so ha wo your friend hormonal imbalance
even so on the embrace ya ewa mama hello mama ya hello mama ya good evening hello mama ya yetunka okay mama ya yetunka pa yenko
hello
bacho kasa de boy doctor wa ha otie mama ya entime engine so doc yento aso
no BBC say hepatitis B or say hepatitis B the patient wait for black leptin and also say can chronic hepatitis B be cured?
Okay. When it comes to chronic hepatitis B, there are levels. Into levels no depending on other tests I follow up.
Okay.
Into test the bit say viral load, and the friend hepatitis B profile test. Now profile test no determine say a develop resistance to microorganisms na said in developing and the liver function test no so be determine say brebono in one kwa brebono mu no o ma say brebono kra na say but say inside no kra na there's a treatment everything
afefo twato kra ye father da ye hello mommy udi any baby afrefi hello bacha yetu kan udi ni baby afrefi Hello? What's your case? Hello? Yo, your mommy no yentinin kayi. Doctor, yentu aso.
Okay. Enti your treatment for hepatitis no said ya for a kind. Enti
black leptin.
Black leptin. Me name the contents. You should name the contents because obi product away na said you can product me good time you active ingredients a wo no into any dey ent me recommend
ye be pese nke be wi no na wa fe na ya cheche ni mu pa me no aye brenti no ye be pese ya hwe treatment no na te say ye hwe doctor yi omo ma frɛ ni afrɛfoɔ ne omo mo ha nyina no ye bisa sɛ double trust ye ba edida so wo sɛ obi ɛwɔ brɛbo emu ɔha.
Yes. Noble Trust Herbal Clinic, one of the best liver disease treatment center in Ghana.
Sure.
Because in 2018, you have best liver disease treatment center in Ghana award. And you were procedure, so we were brebomo hawa. You convey the healing properties of our plants through the process I find with diffusion.
Okay.
Said the amphibia to me too. Every skin pores. Yansu your mechanism be the healing properties through the skin. Echo brabon, never brabon, or how be own be reverse it back to normal.
We a diffusion process.
Diffusion process.
Pania be an
blade, pania be an
operation.
Yes, so yeah, operation. Then see reverse it or how no. Prepare my organ, no have back to normal. Aside that, so you don't know. Other nnuane a wodi ebeboa wo na say yare no kwa ensan ba bio.
All right. Noble Trust Herbal Clinic away fa.
Your banana in
Abolo
Junction.
Okay. It is a obi pese oba ho a. Obi pese oba Noble Trust. Akwenya wo ho ba.
Akwenya wo ho. Nti your numbers are ye gu fidesu wo fra ye beje osu asem bia hawo embia wo de ye brebo mo hawo na bibi fufuro yawo kidney mo hawo stroke na hawo wakoma no bon temtem ana ye se wakoma na ye kese premature ejaculation and also prostate problem ye ni na ewo Noble Trust Herbal Clinic ye ni ankase ye wo infidi nso a ye de hwehwe ni pedua ye hu hawo no ansa ye de aduru akam ye nka nche se cross kwan no koye lab na safa bra dabi ye bibia ewo yase
nice numbers no egu TV no so betimi numbers no ye be so so e be bobo numbers na mapo ubeka bibi e jato na
ya ne meka ne se ye da ahwefo nyina ase me so for hwe ye pa Pastor Bless to meti na I fro e baso yes Sister Salome
papa bi
me wife to be o se o hwe ye pa nti me chia o mu nyina ene o mo hwe chirichiri baby amanfo hwe ye pa o
papa
se ye pompo kana amanfo fra bebre mu nyina pa o wo program call Noble Trust na o mo hwe na me ya makoko hu no me ko the first time me ko no I was shocked ma me bia na o te we che mo mpia ne bae no the next time me ko no asori a wo nanti a no aba me di aduro
a miracle
amwa na doctor ye or a small but wonderful until problem ko so na banana in a bolo junction okwa reception here kama before so be wura okra onya hu doctor no enjeje so na ani ja obenya wo no e ma akasa kra okra no ho ton ti obi a wo bia je doctor Chifan.
All right. Paul, you better say pa we dey ahwefo ye beda mo nyina se ene motimi ahwe mofre amamonso mesua bebre na me aduma next week ye be sign aba na ya be sin konwa na ene wo edi enkomafo apomuden ho dwumedie no ni pedua emu nsem na ye giso apomuden aso apomuden ekrem ene Dr. George Donko out Noble Trust Herbal Clinic ano ena wo chia na oni wedi nkomo ye de aseda be ma akoma herbal mixture ye de bi so ama prime herbal booster ena face no Noble Woman ye enoi ena wa hwa omukrai mu adribia e be da mu nyina ase yame adoma next week ye be sen hia me deepa me jesu ye otieku ba King Collins na ena matade nso a me chef pa Azel Vogue ena pam ya omode share me fefefe opeso mu dwudwa o sala obetimi afro na ne omo eti nkomo pa e was 0288 61 0288 61 Noble Trust Herbal Clinic enso Dr. Sifreno Dr. Dodonko o Sifreno obetimi ene no edi enkomo ewo ahomai so Doctor ewo 0267 117 666 0267 117 666 and 0244 401 929 0244 401 929 we any Noble Trust Herbal Clinic numbers are ye de ye juma ye better masi yame aduma next week ye be say share
Herbal Clinic, Sabia, Baqua, woman, more, and Yamama, I give you more than Bontia, but one young good with Nana, yes, I really to say liver diseases, the first movie again, prostate disorders, or the social, how over the shade to Asiano, fibroid, premature ejaculation, derma or compromise is an of so you should be with my COVID-19, eventually, the herbal booster by Fibwa, a body new system, no buying everything around green now. So the work my herbal Mr. Ujama nutrition, next up, my young woman, and Santo Wama, many other things, maybe the Masen and Sena Epatan. If you actually fire with banana in a bowl low junction, I won't have. And after 0244 401929 and 0267 117666. No more trust a back clinic said, you will need that for some or need to